All right, so how are you doing so far? Let me know. Don't be shy. You can contact me. You can write me a message, and I would love to hear from you. Again, if you're enjoying this course, a review would really help me out a lot. It'll only take you 2 seconds to write a quick review, just so other people know that they can really learn the guitar in this course. All right, thanks so much. Let's get right into it. So we've done our D to A to E to A. We've done our G to D. And now it's time to learn A minor. Our first minor chord, you can see it sounds much more sad than A major. See that? And let me just explain that really quickly to you. A major chord is always going to sound happy. So major, it's kind of like the sun's coming out. And then minor, now it's really starting to rain, okay? Major, minor, okay? So maybe try to remember it like that. Major is happy, cheerful. Minor is sad, kind of like depressing. And there are times when you can put minor chords in there to make them sound happy as well, but we're not going to get into that now. Okay, so A minor. We're going to be putting our first finger on the second string first fret. We're going to be putting our third finger, our ring finger, on the second fret third string, and our middle finger on the fourth string second fret. And again, with A minor, we're only going to be playing 5 strings. Okay? Okay. So that's our chord for this lesson, the first one. And the second one is going to be what's called a C major chord. Okay? So the really beautiful thing about C major is that all we have to do when we're going from A minor to C major is just move this one finger back and forth. Okay? A minor, C major. See that? A minor, C major. And again, up to this point, I'm only using my thumb to strum just to keep things simple and so that you really focus on learning those chords for now. Don't worry, we're going to be getting into strumming. We're going to be putting a lot of salt and pepper into the whole mix here. But for now, I really just want you to focus on your chords and switching between chords, okay? So practice that a little bit, and then you are really on your way to start playing lots of songs. So in the next lesson, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you your first strumming pattern that we're going to be using. And we're going to start off with easy chords, with easy progressions, and then we're going to kind of build up from there. Okay, so as I said, strumming is coming. Don't worry about it. Okay, so practice your A minor to your C major, and then we will get into some more fun stuff. All right, I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks for checking this one out. Bye-bye.